Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Task Manager not working issue in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing problems with Task Manager not functioning correctly on your Windows 11 system, there are a couple of straightforward steps you can take to resolve this. First, we will utilize the System File Checker tool to scan and repair corrupted system files. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Once it appears in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files, and if any corrupted files are found, it will attempt to repair them automatically. After the SFC scan has completed, the next step involves checking for and installing any available Windows updates. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update tab. On the right side of the pane, you will see an option to Check for Updates. Click on this button. Installing any pending updates can often resolve various system issues, including problems with built-in applications like Task Manager. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.